let's take a look at how to do keyword research with Semrush. Now, if you don't already have an account, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial of Semrush, and then you can use all these tools I'm going to show you. But basically, when I'm doing keyword research, in this example, we're going to look at like a local service business, so a roofer in Phoenix, Arizona. If you just type in Phoenix roofers, you're going to see some different businesses pull up organically down here in the website rankings. These are going to be like the top competitors, which we can look at. But first, I like to just come to this top search bar and put kind of a more general search term in here and click search. That's going to give us the search volume of that term itself, the keyword difficulty. So, how much authority are we going to need to build up through backlinks in order to be able to rank for this keyword? That's basically the keyword difficulty. The search volume, intent behind the search, trend, cost per click on Google Ads. And then it's going to give us some like keyword ideas and whatnot coming down the page here. It's also going to show us those search results we were just looking at, so we can see who's ranked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the rankings there. Then from here, I like to expand into some other ideas. This might not be the number one main keyword for this industry. In fact, if we come over here and look, Roofers Phoenix actually gets 390 searches a month, and Phoenix AZ Roofers gets 320, whereas Phoenix Roofers only gets 140 searches a month. So it looks like this is actually more of a general term for this industry. But either way, it's looking like all of these would probably be good keywords to target, whether we're doing SEO or running Google Ads. These are basically people who are looking for roofing services in Phoenix, Arizona. Right? Makes sense. So again, breaking down their intent, search volume, keyword difficulty, cost per click. So if we were to run Google Ads, how much would it cost? And then the SERP features is basically just looking at the different things that show up when we do this search. So there's like a people also ask section. There's these Google business profile listings. There's Google Ads. There's a bunch of different stuff that's showing up here, right? So that is kind of an overview of the keywords. Now we can export all of this data, dig into this, and figure out exactly what we want to target. There's also the option of coming over here, finding some of our main competitors like Lions Roofing, and we can just drop their business name in. Actually, I'm going to do it over here. Oh yeah, this is a keyword overview. We need to be in the domain overview. That's what's going on here. All right. So I just went to the domain overview, dropped in their website here, clicked search, and that's going to show us like their authority score. This is all like SEO stuff up here, other than the paid traffic, which they don't have any. But I'm looking at these keywords, so I can click and open up the 9,300 keywords that they're ranking for organically, and start to get a sense. I probably want stuff that contains the word roof in it. We have like drone footage company, or maybe we look for stuff that has Phoenix in the keyword. But seems like this company has been doing some blogging, which is why they have rankings like these really long URLs, and then rankings for all sorts of crazy, like cost to replace tile roof underlayment Phoenix. I guess that's kind of more relevant, but either way, this is going to give us a sense of what some of the top competitors are going after. So like drone inspection services in Phoenix, so people taking a drone to inspect a roof. Foam roofing in Phoenix, tile roofing in Phoenix. Again, we can export this, filter it down to the keywords that are relevant. Obviously, we only want to be doing marketing for keywords that relate to services or products that we're going to be selling. Right? So if it's like roofing supply and you don't sell supplies, then obviously you don't want to try to get traffic from that keyword. Instead, you might want something that's like, commercial roofing, Phoenix, Arizona. But if you don't do commercial, then obviously you don't want to target that keyword. So you'll be the judge, but that's basically how we're going to find these keywords. We can also, once we have a whole list of them, start filtering them by keyword difficulty. You can see right now, these are already sorted from the least difficult to the most difficult. So this whole first page is probably ones that we could try to rank for organically using search engine optimization. And then really the cost per click is the biggest factor when we're deciding whether we want to advertise on Google Ads. I guess that's maybe not the biggest factor, but it's a big factor to keep in mind. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade in one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.